In this lesson, we will cover three important aspects of Asia Express route: circuit resiliency, FastPath data path performance, and flexible billing model. Let us start with the circuit resiliency. We have seen how Express Route lets you extend your on-premise network into Microsoft Azure. This happens over the private connection with a connectivity provider. Now, one of the Express Route key design strengths is the built-in redundancy. Each Express Route circuit connects via two connections to two Microsoft Enterprise Edge routers. This happens at the peering location we talked about. Because of that dual router architecture, your path into Microsoft network has no single point of failure on Microsoft side. However, for maximum resiliency, especially for production or business critical workloads, Microsoft recommends deploying two Express Route circuits in two different peering locations. That ensures geographic diversity and provider diversity where necessary. On the VNet side, you can link a single circuit to up to 10 VNets for the standard circuit, and a single VNet can link to up to 16 Express Route circuits. This gives you flexibility to design active-active or backup circuits as needed. The bottom line is, when you design Express Route connectivity, do not just rely on the redundancy of the single circuit. You have to plan for the scenarios where you might need multiple peering locations, multiple providers, or cross-region links if your workload cannot tolerate downtime. Okay. After deploying your Express Route circuit and your Express Route gateway, which we will cover in detail shortly, you can enhance the data path performance by enabling something called the FastPath. FastPath allows your network traffic from your on-premise location to bypass the gateway and go directly into virtual machines in the Azure Virtual Network. The benefits here are clear. You will get a reduced hop count, a low latency, and high throughput. This is very useful if you are doing large data transfers or you need to optimize the performance. However, as always, this does not come without prerequisites. You still need an Express Route Virtual Network gateway so routes can be exchanged, and the gateway SKU must support that function. One of the SKUs that support this functionality is the Ultra Performance SKU. Again, we will cover this in much more details in the upcoming lesson. Additionally, there are some limitations that you need to be aware of. So for example, if you are using user-defined route on the gateway subnet or a certain private link services in the spokes, traffic may still have to flow via the gateway instead of the FastPath. In summary, if performance is a bottleneck, FastPath is a strong tool. But you must meet some prerequisites and understand the topology implications. The final topic we will cover in this lesson is the billing model. Microsoft provides flexible billing or data plan models so you can choose what aligns with your usage. We do have two main billing models. They are the unlimited data and the metered data. In the unlimited data, you pay a fixed monthly port fee and both inbound and outbound data transfer are included. In the metered data, on the other hand, you pay the port fee, but you get inbound data for free. However, the outbound data transfer is charged per GB. Keep in mind that there are other cost drivers, so things like the gateway hours, the bandwidth, and the add-ons like the global reach. Okay, to pick the right model, there are some tips you can follow. First, if your outbound data usage is predictable and low, the metered data model may optimize cost for you. If you have heavy outbound traffic, however, and you need a predictable billing model, then the unlimited may make sense for you. So it is important to design your Express Route deployment not just for connectivity and performance, but also for the cost model in mind. Okay, to wrap up this lesson, here are three key takeaways that you need to remember. First, ensure your Express Route architecture has the redundancy you need. Second, use the FastPath architecture where performance demands it and where topology allows it. Third, choose a billing model that aligns with your usage profile and budget. That was all for this lesson. See you in the next one.